That's clutch. SK Lifestyle. Yeah, that's right. Got a new toy, electric bicycle, mini bike. As you can see, thing looks awesome. Got it for my birthday. Shout out my wife. This little bike is really cool. If you just pedal really slowly, easily, I'm not going super fast. I'm probably going like 5 miles an hour, but I'm using no energy to do it. And you can tell it's recharging the battery. It's assisting me while I'm pedaling. It's really cool stuff. So as soon as you start pedaling for like 2 seconds, it automatically engages. But as soon as I stop, then I can feel the resistance and it's just slowing down. It's just using gravity. So then I started back up again. Now it kicked back in. And so now I'm pedaling. Yes, you see my feet moving, but I'm basically like doing nothing. I'm using no effort, literally none. And I'm still, you can see I'm making some moves here. I mean, I am traveling. And it's not bad. It's actually pretty sturdy. I'm using one hand to pedal, or to ride, I should say. And it feels really good. Like I feel in control. And I like that as soon as you stop, it really cuts out. I would kind of like that if it kind of lets you be on like a neutral kind of setting and kind of coast a little bit, but it immediately kicks in and the chain kind of tightens up and you feel like, you know, you're gonna come to a slow stop. But that's probably for, you know, for their own safety or whatever, so they're not, you know, people can ride it at least a little bit easier and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'll show you here. Got my little light going. Can you see that? Yep, that's nice and bright. And I'm pretty sure the LED back there too. Yeah, you can see that's on. I mean, look, I'm still moving. Left hand drive. Hold on, I don't want to put the horn on somebody, even though it sounds completely ridiculous. Hey, and don't forget, be sure you subscribe to SK Lifestyle. Yeah, that's right. You just want to hit that subscribe button right there and that notification bell. All right, so here we go. Yeah, you hear that? Like, I'm pretty sure only a kid on the side of the street playing basketball or somebody taking a walk is going to be able to hear that. Nobody in a car is ever going to hear that horn. That's probably my biggest complaint, but I mean, hey, at least it has a little something. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying this. Of course, I'll be doing some more videos on it, but here, I'll just stop right here. No, we'll just do a quick walk around. The Keystone Peak. I've seen a few people with different kinds, and I'm sure there's all sorts of brands. But this one is legit. I mean, nice like aluminum tubing, very solid. Obviously, there's only one gear, but even when you're pedaling, it's a decent speed, like it's decent gearing. It's not bad. You wouldn't really want to, but if you had to get home and your battery died, you can actually pedal. Of course, they're small tires, so you're going to be pedaling a lot, but at least you have that option. The seat is comfortable. It feels good. There's good materials on this. And honestly, I don't know how much this cost. I'll put a link up to their website. I got this for a birthday gift, so I have no idea what one of these really run. But, you know, I think it's really cool. You know what I mean? You got your little gauge up here. We've used this several times already, and I'm still at full. I mean, so they say this thing can get up to like 30 miles with pedaling, and they're probably right. I mean, if it's still on full, we haven't really gone super far with it, but we've used it a lot in the yard, you know, a few trips around, put a few miles on it already. I mean, I must have rode this thing at least a total of like 4 miles so far. So it's just really cool. You got the nice light in the back, so, you know, you're pretty visible. Show you all again, you know, got the nice light in here. I don't think it's gonna light up the whole street, you know what I'm saying? But again, you have these little things, nice reflectors, the pedals feel good. The brakes, let me see here, the front brake is completely just numb, but I can tighten that up. I haven't messed with it at all, but I'm giving you all the good with the bad. So you see this is a nice brake caliper, nice solid, what do you call it, rotor here. So I just think I need to actually tighten it up, and so that there's not as much play in the handle. That's it. The back one is already set and it's nice and tight. You don't even need, like, you know, engine assist or anything or something, you know what I mean, or like cut out. This is just solid. So I just been using both together. This one, whenever I get a moment, you know, I'll fix it up and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I probably look a little ridiculous, but you know, SK, I really don't care. I'm having fun. And yeah, hopefully you are too. Hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button as well. Check out more videos. You know I'll be doing more videos on this. I got family reunion coming up. I got vacations coming up. Gonna be up in the farmland and stuff. So you already know I'll be having this bad boy with me. Probably the other gas scooter too. If you haven't seen that, check out my channel. Of course, if you're hitting that subscribe button, you'll see some of those videos, but you can also check out the playlist. There's a whole bunch in there. I appreciate your time. And I said, let's get to it. I'm ready to roll. And actually what I'll do, I'll put on my GPS right now and I'll show you a screenshot of how fast I'm actually going. All right, so I am just about 160, maybe slight under. So yeah, 160 pounds, 5'10", and yeah, probably 5'11", but it doesn't matter. Either way, 14.5 miles per hour with just the electric drive. And I think I was doing about 12.5 miles an hour just pedaling really fast on my own with some assist. So really not that bad at all. I'll take it. So, I mean, basically this thing lasts for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And, you know, if you're able to get up to 30 miles with this thing, pedaling and whatnot. So, yeah, let's get to it. Back on the road again. SK Lifestyle, you already know. Beautiful day for a ride. Let's see what happens here. Hold on. Oh, that's the horn. It sounds like somebody backing up.
That's a form?
Yep.
Charge the battery.
Alright, let's see what it do.
Oh, it goes. Oh, this is the first time.
I need to do the tires a little bit more.
I had to bring something to this because we've done all this stuff. And he was like, that's all I need. I'm like, we need something fun.
Yeah, tires definitely need like another 5 PSI.
Oh, it feels so weird. Because it's powering you?
Yeah, and you're up on it real tall. It's like...
and the wires, the tires are... Does he have to pedal or will it bring
No, you don't have to. They said it will go up to 25, like 20 to 25 miles, and you can do up to 35 miles if you pedal with it. Like range, not
trying
speed.
To get it to 35 miles an hour, Landon? He's like, I'm figuring it out, Sarah. I'm figuring it out.
It's definitely a cool little toy. Real small, compact kind of thing you could just throw in the back of your car. Whoa.
Okay. I love the thumbs up. They're small ass tires. It's good. Top heavy. It's like my truck. Are you leaking? No, it's good.
Yeah, it's definitely awkward. Small tires, you're sitting up high.
It is. You can tell like those tires are so small. Let it be.
It's very cartoonish. But I like it. I mean, it's the kind of thing you can just throw in the back of your car, ride around the campground, or, you know, whatever. No one's going to bother you if you're going up and down the street with it. And look at that. Even does the hill. Like I said, clutch.